Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this lift support on a 2003 GMC Yukon. So this lift support, over time it stops working, so I am going to be replacing it. The part number is X001LETSCB, and I'll have the link in the description on the bottom. This is the tool that you'll need. It's a flathead screwdriver and a lift support clamp. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate here how bad this lift support is. So once I have the trunk open, fully extended, I go in and apply the clamp on this rod part right here, and go ahead and tighten this to keep it in place. As you can see, the lift support on this right side is leaking pretty badly, from the bottom to the shaft and all the way on top. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove the right side of the lift support. I'm going to start from the top, where you can see there's a groove right here where you can stick your flathead screwdriver into, so you can pry it, so you could remove or disengage the clip right here. There you go. Once you disengage the clip, you go ahead and tap it out of the stud, and you're going to do the same with the bottom one. So the bottom one, same thing, there's a groove right here. Just pry the clip out of it. Just go ahead and pull back afterward. There you go. Now to install the old one, just install it in reverse. You don't have to pry this clip, just push it in, okay? Like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the top. Alright, the top, you're gonna need to lift the trunk up a little bit more, so you can insert into the stud and just go ahead and push it in, and it stays in place. Alright, now we're gonna replace the left lift support. Go ahead and clamp the right lift support so you can hold it in place. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. Remove the retainer clip and pull it up back. Same thing on the bottom. Alright, install is the reversal. Down to the top. Sometimes if the head doesn't align, then you'll need a plier to pry it to the part where it will line up to the stud. There you go. What I was saying earlier is, if the stud doesn't line up, then you could just use this plier, grab a hold of the head and just twist it back and forth so that you can align it with the stud on the top or the bottom. Alright, now let's test this lift support. Alright, that's how you place the lift support.